All right, anyway, I bought these. These are 4 lights, and it doesn't really have a name on it, but I'm going to show you how to put them together. This is the spike that goes in the ground. Set that there. There's the lamp itself. Put that there. And here is the hookup. So those are basically your 3 pieces. I dropped some nuts. All right, we got some construction going on. So anyway, I'm going to take this out of the plastic, and they've got the wire in here. I'm going to pull that out, and I'm going to unravel it. And so there's your lamp, and there's your line. Very simple. All right, now how you put it together is you've got this piece here that's going to set underneath this, and this little thing here can tighten it once you get it on. I'm going to show you that in a second. So we're going to set that down. And so what you have to do is you've got to unscrew this. It's got a little nut on it here. So if you turn it over, you could lose the nut, so don't do that. Then you're going to put this on here. And it doesn't matter which side it goes on. You just got to get it on there. So here it is. I'll show you like sideways. Just kind of pushes in. That's it. Then you're going to come to the other side, put your bolt nut in, and you're going to twist it. Get it nice and tight. And you might even feel it turning in your other finger. But anyway, you can get it on there pretty good. And that gets it so it'll stay in one position. You can make it even tighter if you want. It's more firmer so it doesn't fall down. But make sure that's nice and tight. These are outdoor lights. Then your stake, you just shove it in here like this. There's your stake. Now you're ready to go ahead and put your light in. But before we go down there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip these 2 sides. And to do that, you're going to need a pair of wire strippers. And these are small, so I'm going to get way down low on my wire on the gauge here to about 18. I'm going to give it a little twist, and then I'm going to pull, and it pulls it right off. Same thing here. I'm going to go down to about 18 on there. I want to make sure I got enough, so I'm doing about, less than a ½ inch, but pull it off. And so now you can see I've got both of these nice and stripped, and they've got a good contact, and we can hook them up, no problem. All right, so now here we are. We've assembled our light, we got our stake on, and we've got our 2 leads. Now we just got to go put it in the ground, take the other one out. Without any problem. Set that down. So this is the one we're going to pull out, and you can see it's pretty broken. So we just yank it out of the ground just like that, and we got to pull up the dirt. And there's our leads right there. So we got to do a little bit of a cleanup job on this bad boy. So see that right there? That's got to be all cleaned up. So but first I'm going to go turn off the electricity. All right, so here's our lighting. It's on. I just turned it off. And we've got it off, so now we can go work on our other our lights. This is just a mess. So I got to clean that up. All right, the first thing we got to do is clean those wires and get those nuts off and put the new light on. Let's take a look at this. And it looks like they just wrapped it in they just wrapped it in wire. There's no nuts on it. I mean on electrical tape. So this is just this is just put on there with electrical tape. So it should just pull apart. Just pull apart. There we go. And then you just got to get this electrical tape off of here. All right. So now we got to clean this a little bit. So I'm just going to get it in here, straighten it out, get it nice and straight. See, there we go, nice and clean. Get the other side the same way. Let's clean it up a little bit. Get all the dirt off of it. And make sure you got a good contact. So now we've got those. Now we got to hook all these together. All right, got to hook all these together. So what I'm going to do is, got to get some wire nuts out of here. All right, so anyway, I'm putting this wire nut on. These may not be big enough. I may need to get bigger wire nuts, but let's see if it'll work. Oh, look at that. Worked. Now we get these on here. I may cut a little bit of this edge off. There we go. Oh, that's nice and clean. And then we're going to take this in here. And we got to get this one in there. Okay, then we get our wire nut. Get her on there. Start screwing her down. Is that the same side? Yeah, that's it. And it's going to pull all that in there nice and tight. Get it in. Get her in there. Okay, good. So now we're going to take this. We're just going to put it right in here, facing straight up, right into these bushes. And then this one here, that'd go in the garbage can. All right, so let's get all of our pieces. We may have to come back and wrap that with some electrical tape. I think we're ready to go. Now we got to check it. I'm just going to pop this on. As you can see, it's already set. All right, let's see. All right, yep, we're good. This lamp is working fantastic. Looks good. All right, excellent. One here, we're going to switch out for one of these. Because all the rest of them here are spotlights, and this is the only like path light. So I'm going to pull that one out of there. I'm just going to reach in and get, look at that, son of a bitch. Came right out. And these are supposed to be LEDs, and they're supposed to, you know, they're not supposed to be a problem with them. But apparently there is. So there's our, again, they only used wire and they didn't use nuts. Crazy, huh? So we're gonna go ahead and pull that all apart right now. Pull it like that. Pull these out. And that's that. Now we gotta put it together. Put it in there. Smush it together. Get your wire nut. Get her on there. I may have to get bigger wire nuts, but this will work for today, just to get the light working. And that's it. Get the old one, throw it away. You know, they didn't last. This is supposed to last forever. You really can't change the bulb. These things cost like 50 bucks, and they're junk. They didn't last 8 months. So we're not using those again. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff.